If you work in manufacturing, then you'll know the importance of proper lubrication in relation to maintaining bearing functionality and bearing service life. In most bearing applications, standard greases and oils provide adequate lubrication. In cases where accessibility to the bearing for relubrication purposes is impractical, impossible, or presents a safety issue, or in applications where frequent hygiene washdowns result in grease being washed from the bearing, then this is where you need to mount solid oil bearings like these. Solid oil is really two solutions in one. First, it provides a consistent oil supply to the bearing, removing the need for relubrication, and it's virtually impossible to remove the lubricant from the bearing. Well, solid oil is an oil-saturated polymer matrix that completely fills the free space in the bearing. As the oil-filled polymer material is pressed into the bearing, the manufacturing process allows a very narrow gap around the rolling elements and raceways, enabling them to rotate freely. The oil, which seeps into the gap, provides good lubrication from the bearing right from the start. As the bearing is completely filled with a solid oil matrix, that in itself provides a sealing effect, making it difficult for contaminants to penetrate. Solid oil is resistant to most frequently used chemicals and cleaning agents. The filling can withstand high G-forces and is environmentally friendly. Load capacities are the same as for the corresponding standard bearings. Most normal sizes of ball and roller bearings can be supplied with solid oil, including spherical roller bearings, deep groove ball bearings, and taper roller bearings, and also house bearings. Solid oil bearings are also available with a food grade oil. In fact, solid oil bearings in food grade environments deliver a number of additional benefits in that the design minimises water ingress during washdown, and there's a highly reduced risk of lubricant leakage contaminating the food in the line. We helped Tarmac TruePack save almost €9,000 in one of its plants when it replaced conventional grease bearings that failed every 5 weeks with solid oil bearings, which continued to operate effectively for 5 months. So there you have it, solid oil when fitting bearings in inaccessible or demanding environments.